Hello everyone, are you curious about when your YouTube channel might start earning money? Or maybe how much you could potentially make? You're in the right place. Today we're looking into the practical aspects of YouTube earnings and monetization. Let's start with the basics. To be eligible for monetization on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Sounds tough, right? What if there was a way to predict when you might hit these milestones and estimate your potential earnings? We've developed a simple Google spreadsheet designed for new YouTube creators. This tool uses your current YouTube analytics to give you a practical forecast to your estimated monetization month and estimated earnings based on current YouTube analytics. You will input certain YouTube analytic parameters into the green fields, and the yellow fields will be calculated. We will make a follow-up video to explain how to use the spreadsheet. We are offering this tool for free, and you can find it linked in the description below. The spreadsheet is basic and not fully completed yet, so check back for updates to the spreadsheet. Predicting earnings is never straightforward. The YouTube algorithm is unpredictable, and ad revenues can fluctuate based on factors like viewer location, engagement, and seasonal changes. Remember, YouTube takes a 45% cut of the ad revenue, which impacts your final earnings. Generally, YouTubers earn between $2 to $5 per thousand video views, though this can vary widely. Some top creators like PewDiePie and Dude Perfect earn significantly more due to premium ad contracts and high viewer engagement. The highest earners on YouTube, such as Ryan's World and MrBeast, can make between $20 to $50 million each year. They often reinvest heavily in quality content production, including professional filming equipment, editing software, and production teams. Investing in quality is key to attracting viewers and boosting earnings. Consistently creating engaging, high-quality videos is crucial for increasing your viewer hours and reaching monetization goals faster. Every YouTuber's journey is unique. Some may achieve monetization quickly, while others may take longer. Our tool provides a personalized projection based on your channel's current stats, helping you plan strategically and grow. Before we wrap up, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Sharing this video and clicking the links below also supports the channel and allows us to bring you more valuable content. What are you waiting for? Download your free spreadsheet from the description and start your monetization journey today. Navigating YouTube's demonetization maze can be as challenging as it is critical for content creators. Today, we dive deeper into YouTube's policies, the preventive measures you can take, and the notification processes that occur before a channel faces deletion or monetization prevention. Firstly, YouTube's demonetization policies are primarily designed to maintain a safe and fair platform. Content that violates community guidelines or terms of service, such as hate speech, misinformation, or copyright infringement, often triggers these policies. Understanding these guidelines is the first step to avoiding demonetization. Preventive measures are crucial. Regularly review your content against YouTube's updated guidelines. Utilize the platform's built-in checks like the Copyright Match tool and the Automated Content ID claim system to ensure your uploads are compliant before they go live. Engaging in YouTube's creator education programs can also provide insights and tips for staying within the guidelines. Now, what happens if YouTube flags your content? Typically, you'll receive a notification via email or through your YouTube dashboard. This notification isn't just a warning, it's an opportunity to act. You'll usually have the option to modify the content or appeal the decision if you believe it was a mistake. If the issues aren't resolved, YouTube may escalate the actions to channel-level penalties, including demonetization or even deletion. However, before such severe actions are taken, multiple notifications and opportunities to correct the issues are provided. YouTube's transparency dashboard and policy enforcement reports can offer clarity on why decisions were made, giving creators a better understanding of how to navigate these situations. In conclusion, staying informed and proactive are your best defenses against demonetization. Keep abreast of YouTube's policy updates, routinely check your content, and utilize the tools provided by YouTube to safeguard your channel. Remember, the goal is not just to avoid penalties, but to contribute positively to the platform, ensuring a safe and engaging environment for all users. In this segment, we're exploring the burgeoning world of AI-curated and generated videos on YouTube, their profitability, and the looming specter of regulations. As artificial intelligence technology advances, an increasing number of creators are turning to AI to generate content. This not only saves time but also opens the door to new forms of creativity. Let's take a closer look at how AI is changing the YouTube landscape. AI-generated content ranges from simple automated news reports to complex video essays and narratives created from scratch. For instance, channels like Taryn Southern have used AI to compose music and even script videos, pushing the boundaries of traditional content creation. Now, talking about profitability, AI can dramatically reduce the costs associated with video production. It minimizes the need for large creative teams and can streamline the editing process, making it quicker and less labor-intensive. This efficiency could lead to higher profit margins for content creators. However, it's important to note that while initial costs might be lower, the investment in AI technology and tools can be substantial. But here's a twist. As AI-generated content grows, so does the scrutiny from YouTube and regulatory bodies. The platform has begun to craft policies to ensure that AI-generated videos meet a standard of transparency and do not mislead viewers. For example, YouTube's policy on synthetic media requires clear disclosure if content is altered in a way that might mislead users. Failure to comply can lead to demonetization or removal of the channel. Consider the case of Botnik Studios, a channel that uses predictive text keyboards to create scripts for sketches and songs. While innovative and entertaining, they ensure compliance by clearly stating the use of AI in their videos, thus maintaining transparency with their audience and YouTube. As we move forward, the integration of AI in YouTube content creation is inevitable. The key for creators is to balance innovation with authenticity, ensuring that while they harness the power of AI, they also maintain the trust of their viewers and comply with emerging regulations. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor this exciting evolution in content creation, and don't forget to check out our spreadsheet tool to help manage your YouTube analytics and monetization projections.